I think that's what makes it very different here, because we want to deliver the funky elements not just in the menu but also in the experience with our staff. So we want to make sure that our personalities, our team, have that kind of quirky, fun vibes, and then every time our customers come, then they get that kind of funky experience. My name is Pae Ketumarn, and I am the Group Beverage Manager at nkytown and Chinese Group, and I'm based in Bangkok, Thailand. So we opened nkytown in November 2023, so 2.5 months ago. And what we do at nkytown is we want to bring a different element of what has been previously available in Bangkok into the bar scenes. So we use a lot of food ingredients and inspirations into our drinks, and vice versa, we use a lot of our typically drink ingredients in our food as well. So the name is Matcha Fizz. It's our take on the classic gin fizz with matcha. So the ingredients inside, you have gin. We use a Japanese dry gin infused with vanilla. And the other part of the cocktail is our homemade coffee bean lemonade. So when we make this, we combine sugar, lemon, milk together. But when you combine milk and citrus, you get a curdle that forms after you add protein to citrus. Then we strain it. But as we strain, we add a bit of coffee beans. So the lemonade you get at the end has the scent from freshly roasted coffee beans. So that makes one part of the drink. And then we top it with soda to give it the kind of bubbles. And on top, to add a different texture and also a different flavor to it, we add a bit of matcha powder mixed with a bit of gin to give you a different texture as you enjoy it. Sure, let me get started right now. So in terms of the making process, it's very simple. So we already mixed all the ingredients in this bottle. So first, this is already mixed with our vanilla infused gin and the lemonade. This is some soda, so we're just gonna top it up. Give it a good stir, not too much. And on top, we have this pre-brewed matcha, which will float on the top of the cocktail. And to give it a bit of a lemonade aroma, we zest lemon peels on top. And that's it. There's definitely a lot of food concept cocktail bars or non-traditional approach to bars that do not focus too much on classics anymore. So I would definitely say that with the rising scene of food, especially in the dining scene, the fine dining or street, a lot of bars, including ourselves, have become a lot more adventurous in really using funkier ingredients or really local ingredients. So what we do, we use fish sauce, we use dry shrimp, we use a lot of local fruits like pomelo, and similar bars are doing the same as well, that they often incorporate very famous Thai local dishes as a drink concept. So definitely have gone a lot more experimental in a sense. I would say it's a funky and wholesome experience where you want to come back again. Our team, our food, our drinks, and especially the experience. So we want to make sure that it is a place where it's casual enough, and first and foremost, it's casual and friendly, but with a bit of our flair. So that is what we want our guests to feel walking out every time.